Hello everyone, we're here in room 216 at the Hampton Inn Suites in Farmington, New Mexico. And we're going to take a quick hotel room tour of a 2-queen deluxe room. So stepping into the room over here, to the left you immediately get like a little a mini bar area. We have a microwave, refrigerator freezer combination down here. Microwave here, GE for the microwave and Igloo for the refrigerator freezer. And then there's a large mirror there, ice bucket. Get a little sink here with little drain plugs, so I guess you could try to do some dishes. And then over here we have a coffee maker, a 1-cup coffee maker. You also get some cabinets here and shelves over there. And then coming over here is a main look into the room. You can see it's pretty spacious. There's a seat right here with footrest or ottoman, whatever you call it. And then to the left is the desk, a small work desk, hotel phone. You get 4 power outlets, so that's pretty generous. No Ethernet though. Here's the climate control unit thermostat. It's an Amana. It doesn't really seem to, takes a long time to actually cool it down. A few hours, probably like 4 to 8 hours. There's another look into the main part of the room. And then on the right side over here is the living room area. We get a seat there, sofa with sofa bed, a table, coffee table type of thing. Get an extra chair here. And then that's the climate control unit. It's an Amana. It just turned off, so it's an Amana. No controls under here, this panel. Just tells you to look at the wall. So there's the unit there. There's the parking lot. This is northeast facing right here. So the hotel is kind of like on a 45-degree angle relative to the cardinal directions. Parking lot back there. Have a TV with DirecTV HD service. I'll give you a quick peek of that. Yeah, so it's just some preview thingy here. Yeah, so you get HD service, channels from Albuquerque. There's the other window over here, no AC heater unit here, and here are the 2 beds. 2 queen-size beds. They're sort of okay. They're not the most comfortable though. They're pretty firm. And then in the middle you get like a little nightstand here. You got 2 lights. Nightstand drawer. You got clock here that's custom branded. But it doesn't have, the dimmer doesn't seem to work, so there's no light. And there's the model number. It looks like HI276B. You get 4 more outlets, 2 up here, and then 2 more lower by the side of the bed. Yeah, so there's an overview of the bed area. And then over here, we have the vanity, closet, and bathroom area. Straight in here's the closet. Unfortunately, you get only 4 coat hangers. You get some extra bedding, ironing board. And then over here's the vanity, separate vanity. Pretty standard, not that bad. Separate light here in the overhead one, as well as the bathroom. Night light here, and then the hairdryer is plugged in. Then coming over to the bathroom area. Here's the bathroom. It's not that bad, a little bit small, but not too small. Here's the shower and tub. The tub is a bit raised. It's about 50 to 100 millimeters raised from the floor, the bottom of the tub. So you have to step up when you enter the shower and step down when you exit it. And let me turn off that fan. So the fan's off. You get the shower tub combination here, grab bar, And there's the shower head. It's okay. The shower head's pretty good, a lot of pressure, heats up pretty well. Here's a look at it. And as you heard, it's quite loud with a lot of pressure. So that's a look at the shower. There's the bathroom. You get 3 hooks there. There's another hook behind the door that kind of like broke or fell off behind the door. So there's a look at the bathroom area. There's a look into the room, and I guess that's going to be pretty much it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out more travel videos from this trip coming soon, and also maybe a few technology videos later on. But there are going to be some more hotel reviews and also some time-lapse driving videos. I also have a blog about SiriusXM where I list all the countdowns, so I'd appreciate if you could take a look at that as well.